Hi, my name is Matthew Christian from Tampa, Florida, and on behalf of Expert Village, we're going to talk about the proper use of a hammer drill. There are many different types of drills. Some are corded, some are cordless, some are drill drivers, and some are hammer drills. Today we're going to talk about a hammer drill and its specific use. Hammer drill is just that. It hammers as it drills. The drill bit vibrates as the drill is rotating the bit. Primary use for a hammer drill is for when drilling through concrete. Hammer drills also come in cordless and corded varieties. Another thing is some hammer drills are a 3/8 chuck, others are a 1/2 inch chuck like this one. The difference being that the 1/2 inch chuck can handle a larger drill bit. In addition, hammer drill, as I mentioned earlier, what it does is as the drill bit turns, it is also hammering. As opposed to a standard drill that just simply turns, it's not very effective when you're trying to drill through concrete. It will work, but it takes considerably longer and also wears your bits out faster. The hammer drill, again, as it turns, it's vibrating or hammering the bit into the concrete. Makes it much more efficient and faster.